Meg, real quick, I just wanted to show you. I'm not sure why that third observation form wasn't deleting, but Lori, our frontline rep, she deleted it for us. But if there are other forms that we want to just hide, not necessarily delete, so that we can bring them back if we need to use them, let me just show you how to do it because it's really easy once you figure it out. So you go into Component Manager, which is where I am right now. This improvement plan we don't need unless, right, someone is on a cap. So we're going to go into tenured ed specialists because I did it already for tenured staff. So I'm going to show you for tenured ed specialists. Let's hide this form. We don't need it there. We're going to click the gear and we just want to default to 0 instances, save, and that will hide the form. We can always bring it back if we need to, okay? Anything else that we want to hide? I don't know why we need both of these summative performance reports. Maybe that's something we can talk to Frontline about because again, it's just so much that's unnecessary. Non-tenured as well. We really don't need those cap forms. So let's go to non-tenured staff. I'm going to hide the cap. Let's hide the cap. We only need that if we put the person on a cap, right? So we don't need to look at that and finalize it all the time. Let's do it for the improvement plan. 0, save component. Awesome. And again, all these summative score reports are just ridiculous. But I mean, we have a summative performance report, we have a summative report, and then we have a composite score report. Like, really? Why do we need all that? It's just ridiculous. All right, that's hidden. All right. Non-tenured ed specialist. Hide that. Okay, so let's just go back in and then I want to show you how you can do individual, you can hide individual forms for teachers. Okay, so let's go back in. Not mine, sorry. Process view. Okay. So pre-conference notification form. So notice all the CAP and PIP forms are gone. Only our 2 observation forms. That's awesome. Everything else we pretty much need. So now I went in because Joe Diver and also Nate told me they do not use the pre-conference notification form. So what I did for their buildings is I went into each one of their staff members' forms and I click the gear. You click the gear to the right and set this to 0 and that will hide the form. Okay. I don't know if Kevin uses it. I don't think he does. I There are some principals that do use it, so I don't want to hide it for everybody just yet, but that's something we might want to do. Okay. But it's really easy to hide forms. We don't have to necessarily delete them. We can just hide them. All right. Enjoy your vacation. I will be on my email. I'll take care of all the PD next week. Do not stress. Enjoy your vacay, and try to turn off. I know I couldn't, but I'm sure you can a little bit better than me. Enjoy your vacation. I will talk to you soon. Bye.